Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing our last science experiment.
It's not our last one, it's just another one. There's
Ooh.
a plastic cover on here. I cannot figure out how to get it off. So we're doing fingerprinting today. How do you get this plastic cover off?
Let me try.
Yeah, you try. Careful. No.
What?
The whole thing has a cover on it.
Oh!
I see it, it's coming up. So, Mommy had eye surgery this week, so I have trouble seeing up close. So you are gonna do the experiment. I will use my magic eye.
What did I do?
Okay. So, ask a volunteer to make a latent fingerprint by pressing a finger onto the development pad. For best results, ask the volunteer to touch their nose or hair first before touching the development pad. Okay, I'm gonna touch my nose and then I'm gonna touch the development pad. Okay, so I touched that first one. Okay, now dip your paintbrush into the powder. The powder is cornstarch. Tap it gently to knock off some of the cornstarch. Okay, and then gently brush my fingerprint by moving in circular motion. That's good. Now my fingerprint, dust over it in circles. Make circles, yeah, but gently. Don't press too hard. Do lots of big circles. Is it working? Oh yeah, okay. Now it says tap the brush again to tap off the extra. You could probably just blow off. Blow on here? No, sorry, blow on this. Don't blow that. You'll have cornstarch anywhere. No, blow here, honey. Blow the fingerprint off. Yeah, okay. You're goofy. Don't eat the pin. What I'm trying to say is blow the excess off there, see?
Oh.
If that worked. Now it says put a piece of adhesive tape onto the... It does, I don't know if it worked. Let me see.
This piece of tape.
Let's try this again. Maybe Mom doesn't have greasy enough fingers. There, do you see it more?
Yeah.
There, I see it. You really have to go in circles. You see it?
Yeah, no.
You really have to go in circles. I don't know. Okay, now this is tape. Okay. So press the tape down, sticky side to pick up the fingerprint. Oh, Jackson. Sticky side down, pick up the fingerprint. Oh my goodness. Is that the sticky side? No, what's happening here? We are just wrecking everything. This is the tape. Shoot. Ah! Okay, the problem is that you just put your own fingerprint on there. So this might be our experimental one, because you touch the sticky side with your finger. Okay. Press it gently to remove bubbles. Press the tape down to remove all the bubbles. I think. Okay, that's not gently. Okay, now lift it carefully. Having trouble? You press it down too hard. Okay, and then it says, you can try the next one. Then it says to lay it down like this.
And what?
And then take it off. And you should see my fingerprint.
No.
That didn't quite work, did it?
No.
That didn't quite work at all. All right, well, let's try this again. Maybe we'll use Grandpa as a volunteer.
Grandpa? Or Gracie! She got three.
Okay, so. Okay, Grandpa, go sit in the chair. Now, get some grease from your nose, I guess. It says touch your nose or your hair. And then press firmly on one of those black squares.
Oh, your fingers are actually really giant.
Okay, Jackson, now use your paintbrush to cover the fingerprint, not on your finger, but on the black.
On there?
Yeah. And remember, do it in circles lightly.
This one.
Don't press hard, very lightly.
There you go. You can see the
See it?
fingerprint.
Okay, now blow it off a little bit.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, now get a square sticky. This is where we goofed up. Is that a sticky one? Or is that just garbage? Oh, that's one. That's one. Okay, so keep your finger on.
Is that the one you used last time?
No. Okay, now don't touch it. Lay it down gently on the fingerprint. Okay, don't press so hard, honey.
Press hard, just lightly.
I think. Let me read. Let me read. It says press gently. Do not rub too hard. Then lift it up.
Lift it up. So you need something here too.
Well, a corner of it up here. That's your non-sticky spot.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then stick the adhesive tape onto the black square over here. Try this one. Gently, so smooth the surface gently to remove bubbles.
Now what? Now what?
Actually, I think you leave the adhesive tape there. That's probably part of our problem. So there, that's Grandpa's thumbprint.
That's my index
So-
fingerprint.
What you do is use your pen now. Okay, right. So the suspect is Grandpa.
Grandpa,
How do
right?
you spell Grandpa?
G
G
R
R
A
A
N
N
D
Grandpa is P.
P
P
A.
A.
Okay, so now we're going to analyze his thumbprint. So let's show everybody, or I guess fingerprint. Where is it? There we go. That looked turned out pretty good. So while we're going to analyze it for, do you see this pattern, a whorl pattern, a loop pattern, an arches pattern, or the accidental pattern? What do you see? Maybe even
No.
use Mommy's magic eye. What kind of patterns do you see?
I don't know.
Let me
The
show you
loopy.
what is in. So Grandpa's going to take a look.
Because I can't tell. It's hard.
Well, you just
I
had it
think
too
it's
close.
this one.
So you
It
have
looks
to
like that.
you have to lift it hold it a little bit far away till it comes into focus bigger. See?
What do you see?
I see scars.
Scores?
What do you see? It looks. Which one am I supposed to be?
See which one of these patterns is on your finger.
Well, because there's a scar going through there, but I think it's that one. Do you agree? Hold it just a little bit away. See
No.
if it comes into focus. Which one do you think it is? There's a big scar in the middle and a little one.
Why that doesn't count for his shapes? What?
No. But you can see the swirls below it and above it. Different things. Does it look more
I
like
agree.
this
You
one?
agree?
Or that more like
This
that
one.
one?
Do you want to try your own? How about you try your thumbprint? So get your thumb all greasy on your nose or your hair. Yeah.
No one did the hair, so I'm doing your hair.
Okay.
Do you wipe
I
that
think-
off a little bit? 'Cause
yeah,
it's
I'll
got
wipe
my
it off.
fingerprint on there. Good, you've
Okay.
got your raggedy jeans on.
I got my sweatpants on.
There.
Okay, use your cornstarch.
Here, I'll do yours.
No.
Oh, you do it? Okay. Lightly, really lightly. There you go. Okay, that's enough, I think.
Okay, now blow it off.
Can Grandpa just help you?
Here, take
You
one of
rub-
these
you rubbed
squares.
a little bit and it rubs some of it off.
Oh, you rubbed. I can see that you're rubbing the stuff
Okay.
off, Jackson.
We have to do it again.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do another thumbprint. If you rub too hard, you rub your thumbprint right off.
We'll just do it on this one. No.
No, stick your thumb in your hair. Or on your nose.
Not in your nose.
Okay, put your thumbprint on. And then lightly, like a feather, dust it with cornstarch.
They do it like this.
Just lightly.
There you go.
There.
Really lightly in circles.
Yeah.
There you go. That looks better.
Okay. There's your sticky. Yep.
No, this one.
No, that was the.
I thought that was the one you mucked up.
It wasn't.
No,
even mucked
this-
up. This
that
is the
one.
one. That was the second one. Oh, it's okay.
Whatever.
Okay, that's lightly. Now lift it off. Put it on this one.
Let's see.
And then analyze it. Here's your book of thumbprints.
Look at it. It doesn't look weird. It doesn't look like anything. Move your finger.
Which one do you think yours looks?
It looks
Grandpa look?
like.
Can Grandpa look? No. Look after.
It looks like this one.
Which
The
one?
loop.
The loop pattern?
Does it look like to you? Oh, the happy daisy. Is that happy?
Yeah, it looks like mostly a loop pattern.
Wait, we didn't check off
Which-
the.
Oh yeah, I guess you could fill out. Okay,
Wait,
write
where's the pen then?
Jackson on your thumbprint. What'd you do with the pen? So
What
write
did
your
it
name
look?
on.
So it looked like what? Yeah,
Yours
so
looks like-
yours looked like that one.
And what did we decide yours was?
Mine was
A
loop.
swirl? A whirl?
The loop.
Oh, loop. Okay.
It looked like this one. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Wait, we did try one.
So your CSI today?
I don't know. Like and subscribe and thumbs up. Bye.